Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Sign for electronic signature setup. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Adobe Sign website. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button on the home page. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you want to associate with your Adobe Sign account. Next, create a secure password for your account. Ensure your password meets the required security criteria. After entering your email and password, look for the Continue or Next button and click on it. Check your inbox for a verification email from Adobe Sign. Open the email and locate the verification link. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. You will be redirected back to the Adobe Sign registration page. Fill out the remaining requested information, including your name and organization name. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Once all necessary information is filled in, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button. You may need to set up additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to complete any necessary security verifications. After completing the setup, you will be logged into your Adobe Sign account. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the platform. You are now ready to start using Adobe Sign for electronic signatures. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.